Hello everyone. Today I am discussing about COVID-19 immunity booster. COVID-19 or coronavirus was declared as a global pandemic by the World Health Organization. So it's very important now that we can boost our immunity system. We all know that already two waves are gone. Now third wave is coming. So it's very important to boost up your immunity. There are few key measures that individual can take to fight this pandemic. While it is crucial to maintain an hygiene standard, it's also important to improve your immunity. Individuals like certain pre-existing illness like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and respiratory issues are at higher risk of having COVID-19 complications. So you have to boost up your immunity. Immunity boosting means the first what comes in our mind is food or diet. What we are eating can maintain our health. Improve your diet. The first step that you have to boost up your diet system. The food you eat plays a key aspect in determining your overall health. Eat low carb diets as this will help control high blood sugar and pressure. Low carb diet will help slow down diabetes and focus on a protein rich diet to keep you in a good shape. Regularly consume vegetables and fruits rich in beta carotene, ascorbic acid or other essential vitamins. Certain foods like mushrooms, tomato, bell pepper, green vegetables like broccoli, spinach are also good option to build resilience in the body against infection. You can also eat supplements rich food in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids for your daily dose. Some important vitamins you have to include like zinc, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6. Here you can see that in what food you can get this type of vitamins. If you are stepping out to buy groceries, then always remember to take some supplements immunity booster like ginger, gooseberries, turmeric. Some of these superfoods are common ingredients in Indian dishes. Probiotics like yogurt, yakult, and fermented food are also excellent sources to rejuvenate the composition of gut bacteria. The next thing that comes on mind that is sleep. Don't compromise on your sleep. Good snooze time for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body build immunity. Lesser sleep will leave you tired and impair your brain activity. The lack of sleep will prevent the body from the resting, and this will impair other bodily functions that will have a direct impact on your immunity. Lack of sleep adversely affect the action of the flu vaccine. Next is stay hydrated. Drink up to 8 to 10 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated. Hydration will help flush out the toxins from the body and lower the chances of flu. Other alternatives included juices made of citrus fruit, coconut water. Good. Don't skip on exercise. Do yoga and pranayam every day. A good diet should be followed by an exercise routine. Remember to exercise regularly. Even light exercise will go on a long way in releasing the toxin from your body. You should exercise daily depending on your stamina. If you ever not started exercising yet, then it is a good time to start. Take supplements and immunity boosting foods. While all the above mentioned tips are definitely help, then it's also important to take supplements. Different types of supplements is important because we are not always getting all the right amount of nutrition from the diet. So supplementation can regimen to boost your immune system. Always consult a doctor about taking supplements. Vitamin C supplements is crucial because it is the army of the immunity. It helps prevent the common cold. It acts as a powerful antioxidant and protect against damage induced by oxidative stress. For severe infection, including sepsis or acute respiratory distress syndrome, high dose of vitamin C treatment has been shown to significantly improve symptoms in patients. Vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D supplements have a mild protective against respiratory tract infection. Most people are deficient in vitamin D, so it's best to consult a doctor about taking a vitamin D supplement. Zinc is a vital component to white blood corpuscles which fight infection. Zinc deficiency often makes one more susceptible to flu, cold, and other viral infections. Some other supplements are elderberries. Elderberries are full of nutrients including minerals like phosphorus, potassium, iron, copper, vitamins, even vitamin A, B, C, proteins, and dietary fiber. Turmeric and garlic, we all know it is a very much important thing. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which boosts the immunity function, and garlic has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, which enhance body immunity. Next is distress yourself. These are testing times, and a prolonged period of staying indoor has implications on your mental well-being. The growing anxiety around the pandemic is another concern that is affecting millions across the globe. So not only boost your diet, also boost your mental health. Practice meditation. Too much stress releases the hormone known as cortisol, which impairs your response to immediate surroundings and makes your body susceptible to infections. You left feeling constantly anxious. The best way to relieve stress is through meditation. It is a tried and tested activity to calm the nerves. So, practice daily. Avoid smoking, alcohol, and other addictive substances. Certain habits like smoking, alcohol consumption, and substances abuse have a direct correlation between weakened body defenses and respiratory illness. Engaging in smoking and vaping is proven to weaken your lung capacity and destroy the cells lining your respiratory tracts. These cells are crucial to fight viruses that enter through your nasal orifices. Some immunity boosted measures are proposed by Ayush Mantralaya of Government of India. You should always follow them. Apart from maintaining a healthy lifestyle, taking supplements, the Indian Health Ministry is also suggesting few organic and natural ways to practice as preventive measures to fight COVID-19. The Ministry of Ayush has recommended the following self-care guidelines like drink warm water throughout the day, practice meditation daily, increase the intake of turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garlic in your food, drink herbal tea or decoction of holy basil, cinnamon, black pepper, dry ginger. Avoid sugar and replace it with jaggery if needed. Apply ghee, sesame oil, or coconut oil in both the nostril to keep the nostril clean. Inhale steam with mint leaves. While the battle against the COVID-19 pandemic is fought by our healthcare workers, we can do our bit by limiting our exposure to the virus by staying indoors, social distancing, eating healthy, wearing mask, hydrating and following basic hygiene protocol. If we maintain these all the steps, then we can prevent COVID-19 virus. Now the third wave is coming, so it's very important to follow all these things. It will not only boost your immunity, but also you will get safe not only from coronavirus but also other diseases. Thank you for listening.